We have created derived role and single role
You're right.
in system.
Let's start again. All right. Yeah. Pfcg. Okay, leave this. We have created this derived role, right?
Yeah, right, right.
And I showed you how to we generate profiles and all.
Yeah.
All right. And this is one more, two, three rows that I've created already. So today let's create
Okay.
a composite role.
Okay.
Now, what should be the name and first letter of the name?
Why?
All right. So y colon test colon composite. Okay.
Yes.
Let's create a composite role. Let's see. Here you can see the tabs are different. All
Yes.
right.
Rules.
Also with the tab there is no authorization as well.
Yes.
All right. So here what we do is test composite role and
Mm-hmm.
save it first. Yeah. Creation date is there now. Creation information. All right. Now,
Okay.
whenever we are creating a composite role, uh, we
Mm-hmm.
will go to next roles. Okay.
Okay.
After saving the making a description, test composite role, and let's save it again. Yeah, that's done. Now, what we do is we add roles here. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So I remember we do not assign master role even to in a composite role. Okay.
Yes.
But we can assign a derived role here because it's a single role as well. So
Mm-hmm.
let's start with Z. Yeah. This is the role that I've searched, मतलब created.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Give me a second. There is one not this. I am not able to assign a single role. See, that's correct, but I think there is some issue. Give me a second. Okay.
Sure,
It is says
sure.
that we can I cannot assign a single role to a compositor, but that's what the compositor is for. Roles. मैंने तो रखे हैं Oh, right. See, this assigned role, actually, I haven't added this assigned role to composite role, right? So I'm giving now full authorization, save, save, generate, and go back, go back. All right. See, I just added use accessibility code, right? Monica, Monica, you with me?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. I will
Yeah,
show you that's part of a troubleshooting that I've done. So I will
yeah.
show that later on when we will go to
Okay,
troubleshooting. Okay.
okay.
Okay. I don't want to make it confusing for you. Let's open Pfcg again. Open our composite role. See, it's already exists. So let's just display, add role, and now I think we will be able to add. See here, and composite role is a combination of a single roles, right?
Mm-hmm,
So we will add under this roles menu, roles tab, we will add all the roles that we need to add. Okay.
mm-hmm.
For
Okay.
example, I have added the derived role that we have created yesterday.
Mm-hmm,
Now, under menu tab, we used to add T codes. Okay.
mm-hmm,
But uh, in the composite role, what we do is we simply click on import menu.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, all the tcodes that were present in this role are here: SU56, SU01,
Mm-hmm.
and SU53. All right.
Mm-hmm.
They are not now imported from there. And save it. Understood?
Yes.
So this is how we, create a composite role. Under user,
Mm-hmm.
it's same as earlier. We can, assign the role here, but instead what we do is we don't do. Okay, let me create a
Mm-hmm.
test user and show you how composite role works.
Okay.
SU01 slash O SU01. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This is we have already created this user, right?
Right.
Let's simply edit it. Roles. It has the derived role, right?
Right.
So we are deleting this role,
Okay.
profile, and save it just for the yeah. All right. Now we will add the composite role here.
Mm-hmm.
See, the rows that were under the single row that was under composite role is already
Mm-hmm.
here now. I have just added the
Yeah.
composite role. So what
Yes.
happens in whenever we add a composite role, all the single roles that are under it,
Mm-hmm.
whether it's one role or 100 roles, doesn't matter. All the roles
Mm-hmm.
that are under the composite role are already are assigned to the user.
Okay.
And how we can recognize that this is a composite role and a single role? See this
Decode.
type, role type.
Okay.
Instead of that,
Okay.
because see, naming convention changes from organization to organization.
Okay.
Okay. For example, we are using this Y colon, right? Instead, many
Right.
companies use that for custom role, they use the colon, and now for a composite role,
Mm-hmm.
they use double X.
Mm-hmm.
For derived rule, they use triple X here.
Mm-hmm.
For single or master role, they use single X.
Mm-hmm.
So this is also a a naming convention. So that differs from organization to organization.
Yes.
That's why we will check here. If this is see this, it is composite role, right?
Okay.
And this is for a single row. We can other
Okay.
we can hover the cursor here, or we can just simply check this design icon under role type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, composite role, single role. Understood?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Also, the profiles, profile for the that derived role is here.
Okay.
Okay, it is also copied. Remember, composite role doesn't have its own profile.
Right. Right.
So test uh, this function I've shown you. Now we are going to okay. I showed you it told you about status, about the traffic lights, the lights, single rule, composite rule, that part. Now yes. Let's create a new role, new derived
Okay.
role.
Okay.
and we will save it. Yeah, X test W7. Under menu, we got the T codes. Now we'll go to authorizations, change authorization data. Now we have created here we will enter. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. We don't make any changes here. We just change the organization value, which I already done. 10 was under that role. 1 is under this role. Okay.
Okay.
Save. Okay. We don't need to generate it here. Now, same way that we have created yesterday. See,
Mm-hmm.
we have created the this a new what do we say derived role. All right.
Okay. All right.
So this is how sorry. This is how we create the 4 types of role. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's say I've covered types of role here. Yeah. So do you have any question in Pfcg till now?
Not till now.
Well, this is a small testing method. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Testing method means once we have created any role.
Okay.
Okay, what we do is we create a test ID. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and add that role to that ID.
Okay.
And then what we try to do is using that we log in using that test ID. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and try to run the T codes. For example,
Okay.
let's try this testing part. Okay, first of all, this. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see. This is the first logon for this test ID. Okay.
Okay.
So this page is coming. All right. So which T code we have added under this account?
SU01.
SC53 and SC56. All right.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
there are 2 types of testing. One is positive testing and another is negative testing.
Okay.
Okay. And positive testing, like we have added SC01, right? So we will try
Mm-hmm.
to use SC01 here.
Yes.
See, we are able to run SC01.
Mm-hmm.
Then we will try SU53. Yeah, we can see this as well. Okay. Slash N SU56. Yeah, we can run all the 3 T codes. All right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now, positive testing is complete. Means we have added 3 T codes and they are working fine now.
Okay.
Now, what is negative testing? Can you tell?
Checking the other T codes other
Exactly,
than that are mentioned.
exactly. That's correct. Other, we will check other T codes.
Mm-hmm.
Means sorry, Pfcg. You are not authorized to run this transaction. Okay.
Okay.
It
Okay.
means we are only able to run the T codes that were assigned to this ID. It means the rule
Yes.
is working. It means this negative testing and positive testing both have worked fine. Okay. And is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is this is how we test the rules
Yeah.
using positive and negative testing methods. Okay. All right. I've told you about organizational fields, right?
No.
No. All right.
No.
So yeah. All right. Let's start with organizational fields. Okay. I've told you that in an authorization object there are 10 authorization fields.
Right.
All right. After those 10 authorization fields, one field will be called as organizational fields. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, where does this organization field works? It works for derived role. Okay.
Okay.
Plan version. Yes. All right. We are here. First, let me log out from here. Login back to my account. Pfcg role. Let's pick this role. Sorry, any role we can pick. All right. We are using a derived role. See, send this code. All right. Yeah, we can see it here. See,
Mm-hmm.
under this auth object PLOG,
Mm-hmm.
right? We can see
Mm-hmm.
that there is one PLVAR. Okay.
Okay.
PLVAR is plant version, means plant version.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In organization, either we, differentiate based on organization, sorry, company code, plant version, plant code. Okay.
Okay.
Means like I have told you give an example like there's TCS, it have TCS or HCL, which have a plant in almost every major city in the country.
Right.
Whether it's Gurgaon, it's Noida, okay, it's Mumbai,
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore. So these are four plants. All right. So they will give it a code. Either they will give it a company code, plant
Mm-hmm.
code, or plant version, whatever they say, plan version. Okay, it's
Okay.
up to them. So as whatever they choose, like here in this demo system, they have chosen PLV, yeah, plan version.
Mm-hmm.
So we are differentiating based on plan version. So remember, out of all these authorization fields, there is one this organizational fields. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So all the authorization fields work the same. They work the normal way that I have told you that we will give the information here. We will change the display information here, and based on that, they give access to the user.
Mm-hmm.
But plan version. But sorry. Let's keep all the company code, plant code, all in the organizational value version only.
Mm-hmm.
This organization value gives access to the location. For example,
Mm-hmm.
like we are using this 10. See, okay, this I will to means we are using here value 10. So whichever plan version has the value 10, this rule
Mm-hmm.
will work only there, not anywhere else. Not for 11, not for 12, not for 01.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? Means
Yes.
means if we have assigned the code for Noida here, so this code will this role will work for the Noida location only. The users who are in uh, Mumbai or Bangalore or Gurgaon, they cannot make any changes to this location.
Okay.
Okay, so that's how
Okay.
we have different we have differentiated, and this is the organization values. Also,
Mm-hmm.
this value organization value,
Mm-hmm.
we cannot make any changes here. See, I try to make changes. It says individual maintenance of organization field using the maintain field values dialog box make the following changes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, means it gave us an option. But okay, oh sorry, I should have read the whole. Yeah. See, yeah, it says that value maintenance using the dialog box means uh from here. Okay, does not
Mm-hmm.
no longer changes the value, but the value will be remain same. Okay,
Okay.
so it doesn't matter if we change it from here. What we have to do is we have to make changes through this button, organizational levels. See,
Mm-hmm.
we have clicked this and yeah, we got plan version. We have already
Okay.
selected that 10. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and save. So in a derived role, whenever we open this authorization,
Mm-hmm.
okay, we just make changes to this organization levels
Okay.
and nothing else. We do not touch any other information. We make changes to the authorization level, save the value, and go back. No need to generate it as well. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will go to the master role and generate the profile again.
Okay.
Okay. We generate, we push the values and then go back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Remember, let's see, it does it gives an option for uh, changes or not, because the latest version do not give the options to change anything.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Yeah, this one. SMS code. Okay. Let's see if it's okay. See, it doesn't give an option to change.
Okay.
Okay, it is giving an okay. So it usually doesn't give any option to change.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah. Means it is a I think it is start auto way because the latest version gives an error message that we cannot make changes to the derived role. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It gives we can only make changes to the organizational values.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think I have shared the screenshot here. No, this is for organized value. Okay. All right. So we can either use PLVAR uh, plan version dollar PLVAR. All right. This was the auth object.
Yes.
So yeah. This was the auth object, and we differentiate based on this. Okay, it depends on the organization to organization whether they are using complete code or okay, plant version, complete code, or plan version, whatever they are using. Mm, okay, we make changes to the organizational levels or organizational values, to give them access to the exact location.
Mm-hmm.
When we will remember in future when we will troubleshoot, we also have to keep in mind the this organizational value as well. That sometimes what happens is the role like a user from Noida have contacted us,
Mm-hmm.
they are not able to access anything. And what happens is
Mm-hmm.
we find that they were given uh, derived role from for Bangalore location instead of Noida.
Okay.
Okay, or some people took a transfer from Bangalore to Noida, but they are
Mm-hmm.
now they have raised a ticket that they are not able to access. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the reason why they are not able to access is because they have the older roles. They said no, I have the same role, so why should I need to contact security or raise a ticket? Instead, they should have
Okay.
because now they are in Noida, and we have to assign new roles to their account for the Noida location.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a small scenario that will come that can come in future. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So yeah, so we have to make sure that we are checking the correct organization value.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I've told you about the status of the auth object. Yeah, deletion. Okay,
Okay.
I've shown you the four status, right? Is what is standard, what is maintained, what is changed, and what is manually.
Okay.
Okay. Now, suppose we are asked to delete any auth object.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So remember, only modified and manual authorizations are deleted.
Okay.
Modified means changed. If we have made change to the standard value, okay, the standard auth field,
Okay.
or we have added any auth field manually, then only we
Mm-hmm.
can, change it. Let's try it here as well. We are using the master role and in this change authorization data. Okay. Let's create a, you know,
Mm-hmm.
new role, new single role.
Okay.
Read all object, single role. Simply save it. Menu. Let's add SU01 here. All right. Let's say if I try to delete. delete this object.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is standard value.
Okay.
All right. Okay. See, this message says that only modified and manual authorization are deleted. Authorization with the status standard and maintained are kept. Means we cannot delete a standard value.
Okay.
First, to delete any authorized object, this is the first condition that we can only delete a manual, or let's say I am adding, I have added a manual auth object. Okay,
Okay.
and let's change this value as well. See, this is changed. This is manual.
Okay.
All right. Now we can, if we want, we can delete them.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try to delete manual first. Okay.
Okay.
Delete. Delete. See, it is still there, right?
Yes.
Isn't it? See, it says delete inactive. All right. It
Okay.
means there is a second option, it's a second condition to delete any auth object.
Mm-hmm.
First was that we can